The Audi Q3 is one of the most popular models in the compact luxury crossover segment, offering a blend of style, performance, and technology. But as the competition heats up, Audi is not resting on its laurels. The German automaker is already working on the next generation Q3, which is expected to debut in 2024 as a 2025 model. Here's what we know so far about the upcoming Q3 based on spy photos, rumors, and official statements. Hi, welcome back to NamCar channel. Let's see the new 2025 Audi Q3 and what's new for 2025. Stay tuned and we will find out today. The new model will be based on the updated MQB Evo platform, which is also used by the Volkswagen Tiguan and the upcoming Cupra Terramar. The platform will allow for improved efficiency, safety, and connectivity features, as well as hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains. The 2025 Q3 will also sport a more modern design, inspired by Audi's latest electric models. The spy photos reveal that the Q3 will have split headlights with an upper strip for the daytime running lights and turn signals, and a lower section for the low and high beams. The grille will be slightly smaller and more angular, while the lower air intake will be larger and more prominent. The rear end will feature a light bar that connects the taillights, giving the Q3 a more futuristic look. The exhaust tip will be hidden under the bumper, suggesting a more eco-friendly approach. The overall shape and size of the Q3 will not change much, as it will remain around 177 inches long and 72 inches wide. The interior of the 2025 Q3 will be spacious and luxurious, with high-quality materials and advanced technology. The dashboard will have a minimalist design, with a large touchscreen infotainment system in the center console. The system will support Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, navigation, and various online services. The steering wheel will have a flat bottom design and multifunction buttons. The center console will have a rotary knob for controlling some functions of the infotainment system, as well as cup holders and storage compartments. The climate control system will have touch-sensitive buttons below the touchscreen. The 2025 Q3 will offer a range of powertrain options, including gasoline, diesel, hybrid, and plug-in hybrid variants. All models will have an automatic transmission and all-wheel drive as standard or optional. The gasoline models will likely include a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that can produce around 230 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. This engine will also be paired with a mild hybrid system that can improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. The plug-in hybrid models will likely include a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that can produce around 180 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque, combined with an electric motor that can add another 110 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque. The 2025 Audi Q3 is expected to debut in 2024, possibly in the second half of the year. It will be built at the Györ plant in Hungary, and it will also be made in China for the local market. It will likely arrive in the United States as a 2025 model, and it will compete with other compact luxury crossovers such as the BMW X1, the Mercedes-Benz GLA, the Volvo XC40, and the Lexus UX. The price of the 2025 Q3 is not yet known, but it will probably increase slightly from the current model, which starts at $36,995 for the base premium trim. The higher trims, such as the Premium Plus and the Prestige, will cost more, as well as the hybrid and plug-in hybrid models. So, what do you think? All the information in this video is unofficial. Still, the official specs, features, and 2025 Audi Q3 will be updated as soon as possible after the official launch. If you like this video, please subscribe, comment, and like. Thanks for watching.